We're here at Silver Falls, and I just wanted to take a moment to recognize that we're here because this was Heather's idea, not my idea. I know, sounds crazy, right? But for real, that's all Heather. It's all Waterfall Heather Sunday. Yeah, baby! But Georgia thinks she's got it. Nope, nope, changing angles. Oh, oh, there it is! Woo. Said there's only 4.5 miles left to go. 5 miles left to go. We can do it. Yeah. I know we can do it. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done. More uphill, more stairs. Where did the fun day at the waterfalls go? What the hell? We're just about to finish. And somebody's out there in the pond being crazy. We're not digging the crazy, but hey. Not digging the crazy. Everybody be themselves, I guess. Peace out, brothers. And we're hurrying up the hill?
Because I have to pee.
Really? We hurried up the hill that fast because you had to pee?
My junk hurts, I have to pee.
You know this is going to go on TV, right?
Absolutely.
You said your junk... Hey, what's that over there?
The waterfall.
Did we see a bunch of freaking waterfalls today?
We saw a lot of waterfalls today.
Were we completely not naughty during all those waterfall visits?
That's questionable.
That's need-to-know basis, isn't it?
Yep.
I can guarantee you that if we were naughty, nobody's going to know.
That's right.
All right, everybody. Hope you had a great day. We did!
We did!
Hey!